earn PayPal money just for swiping your phone. Gift cards from Amazon, PlayStation, Walmart gift cards as well, just for swiping your phone, something you normally do anyways. That's what we're going to be talking about today. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Also check out my #1 recommendations, top link in the video description below. Check that out. There you're going to find a free membership, free websites, free training, and a very large community of people to help you out as well. But let's dive right into this. All right, so the first of 2 apps I'm going to show you today is called SlideJoy. Now, I don't use these apps. I'm just showing you based on what they're telling us and reviews and things like that, because this app is for Android and I have an iOS device, so I've never actually used this app. Just a little disclaimer there. But you can make anywhere from $5 to $15 a month just swiping your phone. When you open your phone, you're gonna get from your lock screen, you're gonna get an ad, and that's all you gotta do. That's it, and they're gonna pay you. So pretty cool. But anyways, let's take a more deeper look at this. Basically, they're gonna just get, like I said, they're gonna give you these ads, and you're gonna swipe either right, left, down, or up, whatever. And you're gonna the more you swipe right, the more ads you're gonna get like that as well, and you can engage with the ads as well. There's no way of making more money the more you use it. It's just kind of a set kind of thing. So don't just open your phone, swipe, lock your phone, open your phone, swipe. It's set to not be hacked like that such. So like I said, you're gonna make $5 to $15 a month, and why not? You could pay your Netflix bill or whatever you're gonna do with it. So this is this one here. Let's take a look at the reviews on the Google Play Store. Again, there's no Apple version of this because Apple does not allow this kind of thing. It has a 4.3 out of 5. So there's some bad reviews, there's some good reviews. You could read those all you want. And there's more information here, and they're gonna pay you out PayPal money, Visa card, Amazon gift card, Google Play card, Walmart gift card, Stream Wall code, and more. So basically that's it. I mean, you don't really gotta do anything. It's just kind of one of those set it and forget. And of course, when you open your phone, you're gonna see some ads. But hey, you're making money, why not? So the next one here is called FrontToe. These guys aren't actually on the Android store. You have to download it from the website here, install it yourself, and it kind of works the same way. I think they pay anywhere between $5 to $20 a month, and you engage with the app or not. So swipe left here, here. Swipe left. When you find something interesting, simply swipe left to engage with the content, and you get some points. Now again, this is Android only, and again, I don't use this app, but I'm just showing you it based on feedback and stuff I got from other people. And they get redeem for PayPal, Amazon gift card, or coupon deals and other things like that. They're saying they paid $5 million out already for 24,000 different transactions, 0 failure. So it's something worth checking out, folks. Obviously, you're not gonna get rich doing this. You're not gonna make a lot of money doing this, but you can make some extra cash. That's why I have my #1 recommendation in the top of the video description below. There you're gonna find a free membership, free websites, free training, and a bunch of other stuff that's really cool to help you make money online. A huge community of people and so many other tools. There is a paid tier as well if you want to upgrade, get the paid tier. But there's enough there in a free account to get you started and see if it's something you decide you want to do. So check that out as well. That's all for today. Please subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you soon.